What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Union Bank Pay Direct. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin guys ng Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct? How does it work? At saka ano yung sistema niya? Paano siya i-avail? Paano nyo gamitin yung Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct? At saka yung fees and charges, of course. Magkano yung interest rates? At the same time, magkano yung limit per transaction? At iba pang dapat nyong malaman guys about using Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So, alam niyo ba guys, itong Union Bank Pay Direct or Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct is napakagandang feature ni Union Bank Credit Cards, no? Parang ito yung pinaka-the best feature of all time. Bakit? So, let's talk about it. So, as you can see dito guys, here, Union Bank Pay Direct is a feature in the Union Bank online application or online app that allows users to transfer funds to other local banks or e-wallets like GCash and Maya using their Union Bank credit card, allowing payment of expenses typically paid by cash or check. It acts as a regular transaction, not a cash advance, and is useful for rent, tuition, or suppliers. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin neto guys? Isa-isahin natin. Si Union Bank Pay Direct is a feature in the Union Bank online application. So kung may online banking kayo ng Union Bank guys, makikita nyo to, which allows credit card users, Union Bank online banking or online application users to transfer funds to other local banks or e-wallets like GCash and Maya using their Union Bank credit card. So kahit wala kayong pera, basta may Union Bank credit card kayo na may available credit limit pa, hindi nyo pa na-max out yung credit card na yun sa Union Bank, pwedeng-pwede nyo magamit yung Union Bank Pay Direct. Because allowing payment of expenses typically paid by cash or check. So para kayo nag-fund transfer ng pera ninyo, like for example, pagpalagay natin may savings account kayo, tapos magta-transfer kayo ng pera. The thing is, dito, gamit yung credit card ni Union Bank. It acts a regular transaction. So regular transaction siya na parang nata-transfer kayo ng pera, not a cash advance. So siguro naman aware kayo na may cash advance feature sa credit cards ni Union Bank. So hindi po ito cash advance. It is useful for rent, tuition, or suppliers kasi napaka-smooth ng process niya. So how it works? So ngayon, let's talk about paano nga ba gumagana yung Union Bank Pay Direct. Source is yung Union Bank credit card, as I have just mentioned earlier. Wala kayong cash, pero may credit card kayo sa Union Bank, so you can transfer. It's as if na may sarili kayong pera. Destination is any local bank or e-wallet, GCash or Maya. Minimum and maximum amount. So, ito ngayon yung maximum amount and minimum amount na ito-transact ninyo sa Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct feature. Minimum of 1,500 pesos and maximum of 200,000 pesos per transaction. Diba? Laki, 200,000, no? But the thing later is pag-uusapan natin yung interest rates about using Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct. So, as you can see, guys, the limitations here, up to 10 transactions per month. So, totaling of 1 million pesos. So, ito, ina-allow ni Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct yung 10 transactions per month, which is totaling to 1 million. So, meaning, there's a limitations only, which is per month, 1 million lang, maximum of 1 million pesos, yung pwede nyong i-transact using your Union Bank Pay Direct feature. Timing. Transactions may take 2-3 business days to arrive if scheduled as they use Peso Net. So, take note lang guys na hindi instant or real time yung crediting ng pera, no? Right after mabawasan yung credit limit ninyo sa Union Bank credit card, hindi agad-agad siya napapasok doon sa recipient account or doon sa pinadalhan ninyo. Kailangan nyo magantay ng 3 business days. As you can see, business day siya guys. Hindi po kasama dyan yung weekends and holidays. So ngayon, let's talk about the fees no, in using Union Bank Pay Direct. So magkano nga ba yung fees and charges? Magkano yung availment fee? Ganyan. Fees vary 0% to 3% depending on the specific credit card. So, nakadepende siya guys. Of course, if there's a promotion offered by the Union Bank, if 0% yung magiging availment fee ng Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct, much better. But the regular interest rate is 3%. Take note of this guys. 3%. Magkano yung 3% ng 200,000? Di ba? Malaki-laki. Nasa 6,000 pesos yon. Kaya naman be aware of using Union Bank Pay Direct. Kapag alam mo na hindi naman talaga importante or talagang hindi kayo magbe-benefit from it, hindi nyo naman mapapakinabangan yung ipipay direct ninyo, wag na wag nyong gagamitin yung feature na to. Kasi delikado to, baka malubog kayo sa utang or alam mo yun, mahirap na bayaran kapag lumobo-lobo na yung interest charges sa Union Bank credit card ninyo. It's because nag-enjoy kayo sa feature na Union Bank Pay Direct feature ni Union Bank credit card. How to use Union Bank Pay Direct? So ngayon, let's talk about the step-by-step process to avail Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct feature. Log into the Union Bank online application. Of course, kailangan nyo mag-log in sa Union Bank online app or online application. Select your Union Bank credit card. So kung ano yung credit card na yun sa Union Bank na gusto nyo gamitin for Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct, kailangan mo i-select yon. Tap Pay or navigate to Send and Receive and select Pay Direct. So ngayon, punta kayo sa Send and Receive kung gusto nyo mag-send ng pera. Tapos, hanapin niyo yung Pay Direct. Select mo siya as source of pera or source of amount, source of account, kumbaga. Step 4 in using Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct is choose Create a Transaction, of course. Then, enter the recipient's bank e-wallet account details and the amount. So, ito guys, details. Just make sure na tama yung account number, yung recipient name, lahat-lahat. Double check nyo talaga yan. Kasi delikado yun kapag nagkamali kayo ng account number. So, maliligaw yung transfer ninyo at match-charge yung Union Bank credit card ninyo at kailangan mong bayaran yun. Review the details and confirm the transfer. So, kailangan mo i-review yung details kung tama lahat ng details, account number, recipient's name, kailangan tama talaga lahat yan. Kasi pag nagkamali kayo dyan, magkakaroon kayo ng problema. Kaya be aware of that. Key reminders. As of late 2025, Pay Direct transactions may not earn points, miles, or rebates depending on current terms. So as of 25, binago nila yung terms and conditions nila na yung Pay Direct transactions hindi na nag-earn ng points. Dapat aware kayo doon, yung miles or rebates depending on the current terms. So nakadepende siya lahat. So Union Bank has the discretion to change their rules and regulations and terms and conditions without prior notice. Ensure the recipient's account can accept PesoNet transfer. So make sure lang guys na using Union Bank Pay Direct, using your Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct, dapat yung recipient account is nag-accept ng PesoNet transfer. Kasi kung hindi, nako, you're in a mess. Kaya make sure na yung account na yun is tumatanggap ng Union Bank PesoNet transfer. It allows scheduling at one-time or recurring payments. So kailangan yung malaman guys na pwede nyong iset yan, recurring payments. So, ibig sabihin, right after nag-set kayo ng date, automatic siya mag-deduct doon, tapos mag-transfer ng pera. Papasok doon sa recipient's name kung ano yung nakasend, kung ano yung nakaset. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo doon na pwede kayo mag-schedule ng transfer of funds using that Union Bank Pay Direct sa credit card niyo any time kung ano yung gusto niyo na time na pumasok yung pera, anong gusto niyo oras at petsa na mag-transfer ng pera sa account na yon using that Union Bank Credit Card Pay Direct feature. So, dapat aware kayo doon kasi mamaya, hindi nyo na pala dapat kailangan mag-transfer, nakaset pa yon. So, dapat tanggalin nyo yung naka-auto transfer doon. So, yun lamang guys. So, sana may na-share ako. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!